For Christmas this year, we started with a big homemade bird's nest decoration formed inside of this fancy metal basket. And we surrounded it with a kind of fairy tale forest scene and a fair amount of Christmas sparkle too. And this was pretty easy to do, making this bird's nest. We'll show you how we did it. Here are 3 smaller nests that were our inspiration. The first one was a gift, and we thought this was pretty cool how it was made. This one was our own way of making a bird's nest from vines. We made this 5 years ago, and it's still holding up really well. Basically, we put still flexible vines in one bowl, then we added a second smaller bowl on top and weighed it down. So let me show you. These were the bowls we used. In this case, it was terracotta, one that fits inside the other. Then we used honeysuckle vines from our yard and coiled them into discs so that we could press them inside the larger bowl. Then we pressed it down with the smaller bowl, like this. We even put a book on top, and then we tried to have some patience because a few days later, when it had a chance to dry into shape, we unmolded it for the first time and it worked. This little nest held its shape all this time, and here it is 5 years later, still holding its shape and ready to work as a decoration. And here's a real bird's nest made of grass that inspired this year's project. First, we brought home lots of cut meadow grass. Then we made a paper collar around the inside of this metal basket. We also put a circle of cardboard in the bottom, so this will help the nest hold its shape during the drying process. Then we lined the basket with lengths of dried grass. Every once in a while, we pulled out thick pieces of straw that didn't bend as well. And basically, we kept adding lengths of grass around the sides and around in the bottom, working our way up the rim and neatening the edges. And then, before we weighed this down with a ceramic bowl, we misted it because we don't know, but maybe the drying process works better if it's a little damp first. Then we put the ceramic bowl on top and set this aside for quite a few days. And because we could already tell this was going to work, it wasn't hard to wait. And sure enough, when we took the smaller bowl out, the nest had a really nice shape inside. Then off came the paper collar, and then using the cardboard circle at the bottom, we were able to lift out the nest. We thought this had a better chance of lasting through the holidays with a sealer, so we used the same spray we used on dried plant material, which is Mod Podge Matte Sealer. We sprayed it inside and out. And when it had a chance to dry a bit, we flipped it over and did the bottom too. And because it's so easy to remove the nest if you need to, we can easily spray paint the basket. And who knows, maybe we'll change the color in the spring too. Easy to do this way, and we'll make it match the seasonal display in the spring. Now for some beautiful birds and some Christmas sparkle. We used the most matte-like mercury glass we could find for the eggs, and some of these mini lights that'll glow for weeks. And remember the real nest we showed earlier? I think we're going to use that too. It's fun to look for these details later as the holidays roll by. Pat said this would make a great department store window display. But it's pretty much 100% thrifted and found objects. Speaking of which, don't miss our next holiday projects at Love for a Country House. Click the sun logo to subscribe. And happy holidays!